Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a BCC email in Outlook. So, for those who don't know, BCC stands for Black Carbon Copy, and it means that if you're sending an email to multiple recipients and if you don't want each recipient to know that this email was sent to other recipients, you want to send it with BCC option. So to do this, you want to create a new email, obviously, and in this section right here you have options. You want to click on options and then click on these three dots right here. It means more commands. And now the first option of show fields is BCC. And as you can see, the BCC field in which you can specify people who will receive this message secretly. So people whose names are in the BCC field can be seen by other recipients. So just click on a BCC, and from this time you're always gonna be getting these three fields of options for who to send. If you have the classic ribbon, not like the short one, you just want to go to options, and as you can see, here is the option called BCC. So you just want to click select, and that's it. And obviously, if you want to send the BCC email, you need to write all recipients in this section right here. So for example, let's just maybe this, and this, and each recipient is not going to see other recipients of this email. So this is it. This is how you send a BCC email. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!